The carburetor brings air and fuel together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route fuel through it. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your engine's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Followed by the air filter. And the air filter base. Now remove the intake. Make sure you have all the fuel drained from the fuel tank, and then remove the fuel line. Then you can slide the carburetor away from the engine.
Now I can install the new carburetor. I'll need to transfer the choke lever from the old carburetor to the new one. It just simply slides in place. I'll place the carburetor over the posts. As I slide the carburetor into place, I'll align the throttle plate with the throttle linkage. Once the linkage will reach the plate, I'll go ahead and install it, along with the spring. And now I'll reinstall the fuel line. And secure it with the clamp. Now reinstall the gasket and the intake. Make sure you remember to reinstall the breather tube to the intake. And I'll secure this with the nuts and bolt. I'll reinstall the air filter base, followed by the air filter, and secure it with the wing nut. Next, the air filter cover, and I'll secure that with the other wing nut. And that's all it takes to install a new carburetor on your engine.